The beaches in this island are nothing short of paradise. This island is blessed with some of the most exquisite and diverse beaches in the world. Whether you're seeking relaxation, thrilling water sports, or vibrant nightlife, it has a beach to suit every taste. Puerto Rico, a Caribbean island and unincorporated U.S. territory. Walking through its rainforests feels like stepping into a different world. The vibrant colors, the soothing sounds of the nature, and the breathtaking waterfalls make it a paradise for nature lovers. The island is also blessed with stunning mountains that offer both adventure and awe-inspiring views.